fuel WhisperLite International has been the industry standard since its inception. Over that time, we have accumulated a significant amount of feedback and have been able to fine-tune it to be an even tougher stove to beat. The new 2012 model has been upgraded to deliver superior stability, lighter weight, easier maintenance, and greater overall performance. We brought these benefits forward to become the foundation of the new hybrid fuel WhisperLite Universal Stove, delivering market-leading performance and innovation. With patent-pending technology, we've created one of the lightest, most versatile hybrid fuel stoves available, offering uncompromised performance with canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gas. An included canister stand also allows it to run on inverted canisters for improved cold weather and low fuel performance. Both the WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal stoves benefit from new stamped stainless steel legs and serrated pot supports for stove stability and use with larger cookware. In addition, the stove legs are now fixed to the stove assembly, greatly simplifying the process of changing fuel jets and cleaning the stove. An aluminum burner tube reduces overall weight, and we've refined the geometry of the generator loop for even greater performance across fuel types. Building on this foundation, the WhisperLite Universal Stove adds the versatility of hybrid fuel performance, burning canister fuel as well as white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. Though a few other stoves can also burn a similar spectrum of fuels, none combine the advantages of low weight, excellent value, and consistently high performance into a single stove. We've taken a proven platform and made it even better. The new WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal meet our high standards for quality, reliability, and performance. The new WhisperLite Universal in particular expands on the platform by allowing the stove to operate in liquid feed canister mode, and it does so extremely efficiently with the use of our air control technology. With the added versatility and performance of these new stoves, even die-hard fans of the old WhisperLites are going to be excited about these new offerings.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download.
This is the brand new Stash. Our engineers went all out with this one and created the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever made. Let's check it out. First things first, the Stash is 40% lighter than any other Jetboil stove system. It weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams. Think about that. 7.1 ounces is practically nothing. It's pretty much a pair of socks. To shave all that weight, the engineers kept the Stash as simple as possible while still giving you all of that uncompromised cooking performance you'd expect from Jetboil. The stove itself has a titanium burner, and as you can see, there's no igniter or regulator on this thing, which saves a ton of weight. Now that means that the Stash is part of the fast boil category of stoves, which means it's best for things like freeze-dried meals or coffee and tea on the trail. That nearly non-existent weight means it's the perfect stove for anyone who is serious about counting grams and keeping things as lightweight and compact as possible, whether you're through hiking or on a big multi-day bikepacking trip. Now, just because it's lightweight doesn't mean it skimps on cooking performance. The Stash features the same flux ring technology that you see on other Jetboils, which means it uses half the amount of fuel to boil twice as fast. The Stash boils 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, which means it's perfect for most dehydrated meals or a cup of coffee. The Stash has 3 support arms that fold out for stability, and the 0.8 liter cook pot slots right into these little notches, which makes it incredibly stable. The cook pot also has handy measurement lines on the inside, and it's the perfect size for the majority of backpacking meals. If you're cooking for 2, you're gonna love the fast boil time that this thing has. It's also designed to work with whatever pot or pan you've already got. like the Jetboil Summit skillet that I've got right here. Instead of a cozy like some other Jetboil models, the Stash features a silicone grip that folds over for easy storage. The lid also features a pour spout, and the system comes with a fuel can stabilizer as well. The other thing that makes the Stash so great is how compact the whole system is. When you're done using it, fold the arms back in and flip over the bail, stow the fuel can stabilizer in the bottom of the cook pot, flip the stove over and place it towards the corner of the stabilizer, then snap your 100-gram fuel canister into the lid. After that, put the lid on the stove and then pinch the base of the handle to fold it over, and you're good to go. The canister snaps into the lid to save space and to keep it from rattling in your pack. And as a bonus, there's even a spot to store a mini lighter between the lid and the bottom of the fuel canister. I am really excited about the Stash. At just 7.1 ounces, it's the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever created. It's so small, you're gonna forget you're carrying it. Despite how small it is, it still boils water incredibly fast, so it's the perfect stove for big backcountry missions where weight and space are critical.
Deluxe stove is packed with premium features. Carrying forward the legacy of MSR's best-selling PocketRocket stoves, this deluxe model has a larger burner, lights with the push of a button, and was engineered for fast boil times across a wider range of temperatures. In the backcountry, colder weather or low fuel cause a stove to run slower. To combat this, we gave the deluxe model an internal pressure regulator. This regulator allows the stove to maintain fast boil times across a range of temperatures. We wanted the stove to work well on cold mornings or when your canister might be running low on fuel. Because of the built-in regulator, the deluxe model makes an excellent choice for three-season adventures. The stove also comes equipped with piezo push-start lighting for fast, easy ignition. This piezo is the most durable one we've ever built. We internally routed the wire and set the electrode deep within the burner head for maximum protection. The piezo was designed to match the PocketRocket's legendary durability and offer many seasons of use. With its broad burner, the PocketRocket Deluxe generates a powerful flame despite its compact size, and the burner's lip adds wind resistance, increasing efficiency. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer, and the stainless steel pot supports fold down to create an impressively small packed size. At just 83 grams or 2.9 ounces, the PocketRocket Deluxe packs in a ton of performance. For backpackers pushing the limits of 3 seasons, it offers one of the best overall cooking experiences in its class.